I have some explaining to do. What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So as you can see, we are in the Scatpack. I actually have not even sat in here in, I would say, maybe like over a month, which is pretty sad. But today we have an update, and it actually is a package from AlphaRex. So I did get sponsored by AlphaRex. They did send me a pair of their headlights and taillights, which I'm so thankful for because this is one of my dream sponsors. And ever since I've seen the headlights and taillights on social media, I absolutely love the way that they look, the way that the whole vibe is, and I love the animations that they have, which I will be showing you guys later on in the video. Now for this video, as you guys know, the car is down. ThickScat has still been down and has not been drivable or fixed in the whole span of like 2, almost 3 months that it's been down. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be installing either the headlights or the taillights, just for the fact that that's gonna be another video for when I actually start redoing the whole car. And so this video is just gonna be the unboxing video, which I hope you guys still enjoy because these are some crazy parts. Like the headlights and the taillights are one of a kind, and no company out there is doing it like AlphaRex. I just want to put that out there. And I know it's been a while since I've made a video on car content, let alone ThickScat, which is actually super sad because I just haven't been able to get the funds to actually repair and do what I want to do with this car since the engine has been down. But I figured it'd be the perfect time just to do this unboxing video and show you guys what is yet to come on the new build. So let's actually start off by just showing you the stock lights and how they are right now as they sit. As you can see, the red is all the way from left to right. Usually there is a Dodge little logo that goes like right there, but obviously I debadged it for other reasons. But right now what we're talking about is basically how I do not currently like how these taillights sit. So I'm gonna show you guys how the headlights are, and then we will get to showing you the new parts. So right now, this is how my headlights look. Obviously they have the little vinyl piece going on the top, which is like essentially the eyebrow look that a lot of people know me for. And if you look closely, yes, those are LED strips that run on the bottom as well as the top. You just can't see it. And then inside is that LED strip that is basically the demon eye. And what these allow you to do is have multiple and different colors on the headlights, which I think is super played out, and another reason why I ended up doing that eyebrow design in the first place. All right, so we're gonna start off strong with the bigger of the two boxes, which, as you guys can tell and guess, are the taillights. 3, 2, 1. So there you go. These are the new taillights from AlphaRex, and as you can see, they are chromed out, baby. So let's get these things out and show you. All right, guys, so this is one of the 3 pieces total. Check that out. These are the chrome version of the AlphaRex taillights for the Dodge Charger. I haven't even decided the new wrap on the car, but I just know that it's gonna pair perfectly with these taillights. Now, one thing that I don't really like, and I already know I'm gonna fix, is this little red part. That is either going to be black or chrome, depending on what we go with the new wrap. Here is that other side of the tail light, and all that's missing now is the rear, but I just want to show you guys something real quick. The attention to detail that AlphaRex puts into these lights, all the way down to the little weather seal, is actually phenomenal and just so professional. So let's go ahead and get into the third and final part. So I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to fit this into the frame like this, but check that out. This thing is huge. Oh my goodness. So this obviously is the middle piece for the taillight, and this is meant for the Dodge Charger. And yes, I am hyped. All right. So this is the first time that I see all 3 boxes assembled in the assembly line of exactly how it would look. So check these things out, guys. Obviously I got them in the chrome color like I said, and I couldn't have asked for anything better. And once again, I just want to give a huge shout out to AlphaRex for providing these parts and allowing me to revamp up thick scat, because once I'm done, let me tell you, I mark my words that this will be one of the best scats on Instagram. I don't know, but if you ask me, this is way better than that. Look at the difference in just the look and swag. This is lame and this is so much better. And don't even get me started on how much better this middle piece is. How can you even compare it to this? This is like godly, and this is literally starter pack. If you can use your imagination, picture that right there. All right, you can't even see my face with this box, but these are my new headlights from AlphaRex. Let's go ahead and use the good old Mexican knife. Oh, we got a package inside of a package. Let me put my Mexican knife away. Don't drop these because they are expensive and I need them to work. Ooh, I almost dropped them. Ooh, okay. So there we have it. These are my new headlights from AlphaRex, baby. Let's get these unwrapped so that I can show you guys. Holy mama. I think we have to flip it. There you go. So as you guys see, there are 4 bulbs. So let me explain. So for the sake of YouTube, I am going to fully unwrap these, unlike the taillights, just because I love you guys that much. These are the new AlphaRex, new to me, AlphaRex Nova Series headlights. As you guys can see, there are 4 bulbs, and I went with that option because I'm different. So the main reason why I went with the 4 bulb design versus the 2 bulb design, which I will put right here, is simply because of the fact that I was already planning ahead of time, and I am indeed going to be doing this nice little design of the eyebrow vinyl once again on these headlights, which I know is very controversial, but that's just my style. And so I thought, why not just go at it full on and do the 4 bulbs. And I also have these headlights that basically are able to turn amber. So the DRL, which runs on the outside, which a lot of people like to call like the halo, because it's like just the outside part of the headlight, can basically turn from LED, which is white, to amber, which is yellow. So I really like that. And although I will miss the color changing headlights, which are these, I will be enjoying these new AlphaRex Nova Series headlights. But yeah, take a good look, guys. These are not to be played with. The quality, the craftsmanship, just how crispy everything is, it's actually crazy, because in this time of the world, you know, things can be cheap. Things can just come from like AliExpress and freaking get rebranded and resold to you. But instead, we got brands like AlphaRex, which are actually out here putting the time and effort to design new stuff like this for our puppies. So let me get this back in the box and we'll finish up the video. All right, so after some time off, I finally got to filming this video. You guys now know that I am sponsored by AlphaRex, and they did send me both the taillights and headlights, which I'm super grateful. So a huge shout out to them once again. I really appreciate any brand, and especially AlphaRex, for sponsoring Thick Scat. It's been a journey. Right now, Thick Scat's been down for like 2 months, and she's about to get the biggest makeover that I think she's gotten ever. You know, she's not looking so well right now because she hasn't gotten washed, but with a good wash, a new wrap, and the wide body back on, maybe with like a nice little cammed motor, would be good right about now. So thank you guys for tuning in once again. Let me know if you guys are excited for the new parts to actually get put on to Thick Scat, because I am. I feel like this car has been needing just like a revamp in just the whole look in general. So I'm super excited about that. I think what I'm most excited about is actually the taillights, being that they're chrome. I don't know why I've always wanted like chrome taillights for a Charger, because that has never been an option for any aftermarket part for this car. But anyways, let me know if you guys are more excited for the headlights or the taillights or both. I'll see you guys in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Real quick, I just want to say actually like sorry for not really uploading that much car content. I can only do my best when it's just been kind of like sitting here in the driveway for a few months, which is why I kind of been gearing towards the e-bike content on this channel. But nonetheless, thank you guys for always watching. And if you guys watch both the car content and the e-bike content, huge shout out to you, because that's how I make my money. So this car will be up and running soon, I promise you guys. And it's gonna be a nice little comeback. I miss having my car, and I think you guys do too. So I really look forward to this thing just getting back on the road.